What have we here? This is like an unboxing video. I don't know why it's backwards, but that's the way they made it. The white one's the cutter. This, my friend, is old school. Different font there. There's another font. We got the instructions. Quick book. Somebody using it for electrical panels. That's fancy. Tapes. The original Dymo tapes. Still in the packaging. There's that fancy gold trimmed one. Gold trim. Pretty interesting packaging there. Like I said, I don't know why it's when you open it's backwards, so I guess when you have it open, people can see it. So there you go. Thrift store. And I figure somebody's going to ask me, but this just pops open real easily. The tape goes in there. Okay, and once you get it in there, if you want to feed it, this little deal will feed. A little rotating knob there. And then once it's inside, the main handle does the advancing and the letter smashing, whatever you want to call it, the embossing. And then it'll come out right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and operate it. I'm right-handed now. I have selected the letter O. Let's select an N. And let's make one. So we have just made the letter N right there. Okay, and then if you want a space, I believe you use this to manually space it. Let's try that. Okay, so I've manually made a space just using my thumb and pushing downward. Okay. And then I could make another letter. Let's just do something that's real obviously different from the N. There's a G. G. Okay. So that's basically the operation. The big click, the spacing, or the advancing when you're putting in a new tape, I found out. And then the cutting is just right here. So we could advance it a little bit. Okay, I've got that. And let's cut it with this one way up here. Okay. Didn't just make a loud sound, but it cut it where you could see the tape there. Alright, not a real pretty thing. That may help you peel it, I'm not sure. But maybe I messed something up. Alright, not real familiar with it, but man, the previous generation was using this like crazy on everything. I've got a hand-me-down item that still has this attached with somebody's name on something. Okay, so that's the case. And I basically went through the instructions for you, but I did get the original instructions, so I just read them a little while ago, right after I got this from the thrift store. Cut off, dial, center, apply label. Don't remember the procedure for changing the wheel, but it may tell you how to do that in here. Changing the letter wheel, there it is, there's the instructions. Freeze frame, and you can learn how to do it. And of course, maybe you need to make sure you know how to stick it onto stuff, and there's the warranty. Okay, of course this is probably from the 1970s. They may not cover it anymore. Okay, I want to show you this. This is just one of the wheels here. Some of the wheels have a shiny, reflective looking thing on them. That one does. But in any case, this is all made out of plastic, I found out. So when you rotate it on around, you can see that there's like these little fingers that are ready to be used as the embossing. So there's little letters on these. And I guess it's outlined on both sides. It's impressed on the one side, and it's the positive image on the other. So I think I'm touching the letter M right here. Sorry if my fingernails aren't perfect. The letter M, and it smashes in there like that. So as you look, M is way over here, but it's going to compress M right over here. You know, just a few clicks over. So that when it's in the machine like this, you know, like that, I guess I got it now. Then right somewhere over here, those fingers come in and do the embossing a few clicks over. So I went ahead and put it back into the case like it's supposed to be. Almost got it right. No, I don't know. Yeah, okay, that's more perfect. There we go. I don't know where that was exactly. But there's an old Dymo label maker. This is the oldie goldie.